Runway AI can create character animations from recorded video. Runway has introduced Act 1, a new feature in its Gen 3 alpha model. It aims to simplify character animation. What you need to know. What does it do? This tool lets creators make expressive character performances. They need only a single video and a character image. It replaces traditional motion capture and complex rigging setups. How it works. Act 1 captures facial expressions from a video input, like a smartphone recording. It applies these to AI-generated characters. It includes transferring subtle details of an actor's performance. This enables creating realistic animations from video and voice recordings. How to use it. Access to Act 1 has started rolling out to users. It will be available to everyone soon. This rollout includes users with free accounts, but with limits on video-generating tokens. Key idea. Motion capture reimagined. This tool is a big leap for video creators, animators, and filmmakers. It enables them to create more lifelike AI characters. They can do this without needing expensive or complex equipment. It's designed for different camera angles and focal lengths. It's now possible with a simple phone camera to create Disney Pixar-esque animations.